Hello everybody, welcome to Tom's Dream Shop Works. Today we're building a pair of cutting boards for my brother out of some 8/4 Sapele. Come along and watch me do it. So the piece that I'm jointing here is actually long enough, giving enough pieces to make two boards. And I still had leftovers you saw off the chop saw. So I figured I would work it as the full length for as long as I could, make less pieces to work with, and have to do some things only once instead of twice. Alright, all cut up, time for the planer. Certainly not going to show you the whole process, just we know what planing looks like. Just had to do it over and over again and rock them square until I had all the pieces were square. And time for the glue up. Still working out the kinks of me using my new DSLR. Sorry about the focus. Type on 2 glue here, which is a water resistant glue, which should be fine for the cutting boards. I've been using that on cutting boards for years. Never had one come apart on me. Couple of clamps up top and set it overnight to dry. And since this is wider than my planer, we go to 40 grit planer, so to speak. And there's no way I'm showing you all of this. Yes, you read that right. There's no sandpaper on that board sander. Trim off each end, measure the center. Now it's time to cut it into two boards and start working them separately. Routed in a finger groove on each end of both boards. I think it's a half-inch round over cove bit. Sorry about that. Opposite of the round over is a cove. This is actually a small laminate trimmer bit that I use here. It just kind of breaks the edge. It's not really a round over. It gives a kind of a no-file, they call it a no-file bit for laminate work. It works perfect for just a quick, consistent edge knocking. Yeah, focus again. Sorry. So what I'm doing here is how I date my work. This is a penny that's dated 2018, and now that I've got in the hole, I can't get back out. This is a 3/4 inch diameter Foster bit is what you use for a penny. Been doing the penny trick for years now. Just pure mineral oil here, 100% mineral oil, no fragrance of any kind. Put on a coat, let it sit about 20 minutes, wipe off any excess, let it dry overnight, and do it again. And of course the upkeep of the board will be re-oiling it every once in a while. Sure is pretty looking wood. Wiping off the excess here, letting it dry overnight. And a little super glue on the pennies works just fine. Off camera I'm spraying the back of the penny with accelerator for the super glue. Drop it into its spot. I did this before I oiled the bottom. The bit of oil you see is just what penetrated from the side. And these are some rubber feet I picked up. They are made with a stainless steel plate and stainless steel screws designed for cutting boards, so they will not rust. And raise it up just enough, and with the finger holes, it's very comfortable to pick up and move the cutting board around. The dimensions on the board are 16 inches square and just under 2 inches thick. Should last a couple of lifetimes, to say the least. Thank you all very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please feel free to leave any comments. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great one.